So most satin finish cars, we end up doing a full wrap on them. And the reason for that is this. So this part right now is not protected. This part is protected. Now we have some final touch-up and things to do, so you may see some little moisture pockets and things, but you can tell there's really no visible difference between them. The big difference is, if I had a ring or something on, I could scratch this up and it wouldn't matter. It still self-heals just like regular paint protection film. If this was a gloss finish car and this is unprotected and you get minor scratching in it, still not that big of a deal. You can polish those out. Still not ideal, you don't want that to happen, but you can polish it. With a matte finish paint job, guess what? You're not polishing anything. So if somebody rubs up against this with a purse or hits it with a shopping cart, or you wash it incorrectly and you get a rock in your wash mitt and you put a scratch down the quarter panel of the car, you cannot get the polisher out and fix it because it will totally destroy the look of this paint. In addition to that, trying to find somebody that can paint a matte finish paint like this is really, really difficult. You can't wet sand out dirt nibs and things that you can normally do in gloss paint. You can wet sand and buff it when you're done to make sure your paint job looks really good. You cannot do that with a satin finish paint. So everything has to be perfect. Everything's got to be perfect on the first shot. That leads me to my point of, if you have a matte finish or satin finish car from factory, you need to do a full wrap. Now, on the areas that are protected, and of course the whole car is getting protected, it'll be wrapped very soon. When this gets scratched, we can remove the film. We can put a new piece of film on. No paint underneath was damaged. You're not going to devalue the car by having to get a paint job. You're not going to have an inexperienced detailer or a DIY person grab a little bit of polish and try to get a scratch out and completely ruin the quarter panel of the car. So sit back and enjoy the show. We're going to show you guys some footage of us wrapping this, and we'll show you it all finished up so you can see how we really didn't change the appearance of the car at all, but now you can drive your satin finished car without worry.